Hi guys, this is my first video since I flew this drone under the rain. As you can see, it can fly, but for some reason it doesn't stay in one spot. It doesn't fight the wind. It is a little bit unstable. So I guess what it needs is just calibration. Yeah. Yeah. I guess what it needs is calibration. It's just the wind, everywhere the wind goes, it just flows. Yeah. Very unstable. Let me bring it down and show you a little bit. See, right now I'm not doing anything, but it's just moving by itself. Here. I'm not doing it, so it's moving towards me, backward. Yeah. So there you go guys, it's working. I was a little bit scared that it won't work because I flew it in heavy rain. But as you can see, it's working just fine. Yeah. See how high it can go. It's just going with the wind. Let me try and see if we can bring it back. Yep, it's coming back. Don't want to fly too far because it might lose its connection. So it's just moving. Just moving. I'm turning around now. But it is just moving. Yeah. 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 It flies real good. I think I'll just have to calibrate it and then fly and see. Maybe nothing is damaged. It's just a matter of calibrating it once more and then everything should be fine, I guess. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Almost. Almost had it right there. Come on now. Where is it going, for Christ's sake? Man, come here. Yeah. Maybe the battery is dead. It just landed itself. So yeah, maybe I didn't charge the battery fully, but it did fly very well. And of course, it was very unstable. Needs to be calibrated, I guess. So I will calibrate it again once more, and then charge the battery, do a second test flight. Oh, it landed real hard, look at that. You know, we'll do a second test flight and then see what happens. My guess is it just needs to be calibrated once more. Hope nothing is damaged, maybe. So guys, please leave your comments below, subscribe, share my videos. Thank you guys, I need your support. Thank you.